Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can change the frame rate of a video using DaVinci Resolve. Now, once you import something into your media pool or your timeline, you cannot change the frame rate directly, but there is a workaround for this and I'll show you how you can do it. So let's say I want to import a video. I'll quickly right click on this space, click on import media and select this clip right here. It's called Money Man. I'll right click on it to show you that it is at 25 frames per second. I'll quickly click on OK and import this. Once this is done, you can import it into your timeline by dragging it, and once it is in your timeline, it will automatically create a timeline for you. Now you will see when I click on settings that you cannot change the frame rate of this video. As you can see, it is frozen. But if you want to do this, you can create a new timeline and do it that way. All you have to do is right click on this space, click on timelines and click on create new timeline. And make sure that you uncheck this option, which is use project settings. Once it is unchecked, it will give you an option to change the frame rate. I'll quickly show you the video and how it is playing right now. You will see that it is at this space. I'll quickly increase the frame rate and show you the result after this. So again, I'll right click in the space, create a new timeline, uncheck this option and click on format. Once you're in here, you can put in any of these frame rates that are available. Once I put in the correct frame rate or the frame rate that I want, you'll click on create. Once this is done, you will have to again drag this media into your timeline and it will automatically get added into timeline number 2. Now I'll play the video and show you that it has indeed slowed down, which means I've increased the frame rate. Now once you have imported your media into this new timeline, you can go ahead and export this video and I'll show you that it is indeed at 60 frames per second now. The frame rate has now changed, and yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can easily change frame rates in DaVinci Resolve 18. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.